are going to talk about the 2020 model of Z900, and it is looking very sexy with green Kawasaki touch teleframe and the black shiny color. So enjoy the video till the end. So stay tuned on my channel, guys. You will get something entertaining and informative. Z900 comes with 948cc engine. First thing you will get in 2020 model of Z900, it's LED headlamp. In before model of 2019 Kawasaki Z900 आपको मिलता था क्या कहते हैं हेलोजन. In 2020 model of Kawasaki Z900, you will also get 3 traction modes, 2 power mode and 4 riding modes.
और ये है Kawasaki Z900 2020 मॉडल का सेकंड कलर ऑप्शन जो आपको मिलता है मैट ब्लैक और रेड कलर के कॉम्बिनेशन के साथ. इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय इट यू कैन. What I am thinking that I should explain the all features in the detail.
The features were you will only get in the 2020 model of Z900, or you will not get any of Z900 customer didn't get these kind of features in the before model of 2020 edition, the model of 2019 Kawasaki Z900. So the first feature what you will get in the 2020 model of Kawasaki Z900 is traction control. What is traction control? Traction control basically helps your bike, and while the broad tires are rotating, the rotation of the tires will be equal. तो वो साथ में रोटेट करते एक ही स्पीड पे ताकि गाड़ी स्लिप ना हो. So it is a power mode. The power mode is it will help you to use your power bike of your power as you want. So basically करना होता क्या है, बहुत सारे लोगों की कंप्लेन होती है कि पावर नॉट अ स्पोर्ट्स बाइक. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट राइट नाउ द सुपर बाइक. बहुत पावर है उसमें. सो बेसिकली उसमें पावर बहुत है, तो पावर रेशियो आप कम कर सकते हो. उसका इंजन ब्रेकिंग कम हो जाएगा, इंजन पावर कम थोड़ा सा हो जाएगा, आरपीएम थोड़ा सा कम जाएगा उसका. तो आप उसको लो पावर पे चला सकते हो और आपको लगेगा यस राइट नाउ इन आफ्टर दिस टाइम आई एम फीलिंग कॉन्फिडेंट ऑन माई while riding my beast. So you could switch the power modes to low to high. So it is a good feature. The third thing is riding modes. If you don't want to set the traction control according your need, and you don't want to set power modes regularly or different kind of situations, so Kawasaki also solved this problem in this model. What they have did, they have includes particularly riding modes in this particular model. Sports mode, where you can use the full power of your beast, and आप उसको ट्रैक पे लेके जाओ या हाईवे पे लेके जाओ, आप उसका पूरा मजा ले सकते हो नेक बाइक का fully. So you will feel like a heaven while riding her, while you will ride the Kawasaki Z900. The second thing is that the second mode of the riding is rain mode. Basically, in the rain mode, the traction will be on a high number, okay, and पावर नॉर्मली लो ही होगा, सो रेन मोड को आप यूज कर सकते हो. द थर्ड थिंग इज रोड मोड, व्हाट यू कैन यूज इन सिटीज एंड ऑल while riding in city, while doing city commuting and while riding cities. So basically, so that's all. And the new feature what I basically like, what Kawasaki should do this thing in each and every bike or of Kawasaki, and Kawasaki didn't did this thing with the Kawasaki ZX-10R 2020 edition. There's a, what feature we are talking about is the LED headlamps, LED tail lamps, and the indicators and the, I mean passing lights. Indicators are also LED, fully LED. So बहुत अच्छा लगता है, वाइट लाइट देखने में हमें बाइक की अच्छा लगता है. येलो लाइट नहीं है अब अच्छा. I don't like if the TVS will give. It is one of my favorite naked bike, but I'm not interested, and I could not even have a connection with the naked category bikes. So no future plans to buy a naked bike. I will definitely go for fully fed. I like sporty posture and I like to fully fed. So I will definitely don't gonna buy any of the naked bike, but yes, I will buy a fully fed. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Please comment in the comment section whatever kind of video you want related to bikes and all. The third thing, share this video with your friends and family. The last thing is, please guys, मैंने YouTube क्रिएटर स्टूडियो खोल के देखता हूँ तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग होते हैं जो वीडियो देखते हैं और सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते. सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल.
सो मैं यहाँ बैठा बैठा बीन बैग पे बोर हो चुका हूँ. सो चलते हैं थोड़ा, मेरे छत के ऊपर छोटा सा टेरेस है तो वो वहाँ पे क्लाइंब करना पड़ेगा, तो मैं क्लाइंब करता हूँ और फिर ऊपर चलते हैं. बाकी फीचर्स हम वहाँ चल के डिस्कस करेंगे. The fifth feature is the TFT display with Bluetooth smart connectivity. So now you can enjoy your ride with TFT display and you can connect your phone via Bluetooth. The sixth and the last feature is the new Dunlop Sports Max Road Sports tires and front and rear.
The lockdown. So stay tuned on my channel, guys, and stay home to stay away from corona, and stay safe, and ride will wait, your life will not. So stay home, guys. See you in the next vlog.